Tightly packed bundles of identical carbon steel rods arrive at the factory as the raw material for bolt and nut manufacturing. A heavy hydraulic forklift lifts the tightly packed carbon steel rod bundle and moves it toward the raw material storage section.
The tightly packed carbon steel rods are placed into heavy storage racks, where raw steel inventory is organized for production use.
An overhead bridge crane lifts the tightly packed carbon steel rod bundle and transfers it toward the machine feeding section. The perfectly aligned cylindrical carbon steel rod enters the automated cutting system, where precision manufacturing begins. Rotating guide wheels straighten the moving cylindrical carbon steel rod and correct micro bends before cutting. The perfectly aligned cylindrical carbon steel rod is pulled into the automated cutting chamber, where exact length cutting begins. A motorized measuring stop block sets the exact cutting length before the cutting wheel makes contact.
The rotating carbide cutting wheel slices through solid carbon steel, producing bright sparks and hot metal chips.
A dense flow of identical short cylindrical steel blanks moves continuously toward the heating furnace for the next forming stage. Dense rows of short cylindrical carbon steel blanks enter the insulated furnace, where controlled heating begins. Evenly spaced steel blanks move into the enclosed heating chamber for uniform temperature rise.
Inside the high-temperature chamber, the steel blanks glow bright orange-red as heat penetrates through the dense steel core.
The heated steel blanks exit the furnace glowing bright orange-red and fully prepared for forging. Dense rows of glowing heated steel blanks move directly toward the forging presses, where bolt shaping begins. A giant hydraulic forging ram descends with extreme force onto the die-positioned glowing steel blank. Under extreme pressure, the softened hot steel fills the die cavity and forms a sharply defined 6-flat hexagonal bolt head. A fine cooling oil mist reduces surface heat while preserving the newly formed bolt head shape. The forged bolt bodies move directly into the sizing section, where the cylindrical shaft will be shaped with precision. Dense rows of forged bolt bodies enter the shaft sizing section, where the cylindrical shaft will be corrected with precision.
Hardened steel sizing rollers press evenly around the rotating shaft and correct the diameter into a precise, uniform cylinder.
A hardened carbide cutter trims the rotating shaft tip, and creates a clean, beveled chamfer edge.
Optical gauges verify shaft straightness and confirm perfect centering between the bolt head and shaft axis.
The unfinished bolt shafts now enter the thread rolling section, where spiral threads will be formed with precision.
Dense rows of unfinished bolt shafts enter the thread rolling section, where spiral threads will be formed with extreme precision. Rolling pressure increases and sharpens the spiral thread crest while deepening the root grooves uniformly across the shaft body.
Optical scanners verify thread pitch, crest height, groove depth, and continuous spiral geometry with precision. The finished threaded bolts leave the rolling section with sharply defined spiral threads ready for final processing. Dense rows of thick compact steel slugs enter the nut forming section, where the center hole and hexagonal outer body will be shaped.
A hardened punching die drives through the exact center of the dense steel slug and creates a perfectly centered round hole.
Extreme hydraulic pressure reshapes the outer steel body into a sharply defined 6-flat hexagonal nut form while keeping the center hole perfectly aligned.
The unfinished nut bodies now move into the threading section, where precise internal spiral grooves will be formed. A hardened rotating threading tap enters the centered hole and begins cutting sharp internal spiral grooves into the dense steel wall. Continuous lubricant flow washes metal shavings away, while the internal spiral grooves deepen cleanly through the dense steel body. Optical probes verify internal thread pitch, groove depth, and full spiral geometry through the entire hole depth.
The completed threaded nuts now move toward heat treatment, where strength and hardness will be increased.
Dense rows of completed bolts and completed nuts enter the heat treatment section, where heat and quench harden the steel core.
Evenly spaced bolts and nuts move into the enclosed furnace, where controlled heating begins the hardening cycle.
Uniform furnace heat penetrates deep through the dense steel core, while every bolt thread and nut thread remains sharply preserved.
Powerful heated air removes the oil film and leaves the hardened bolts and nuts dry, clean, and strengthened.
The hardened bolts and nuts now move toward final finishing, where the outer surface will be cleaned, coated, and prepared for packaging.
Dense rows of hardened bolts and hardened nuts enter the finishing section, where the surface will be cleaned, polished, and coated for protection.
Fine polishing media smooths every exposed surface and brings out a brighter, clean metallic finish before coating.
A uniform zinc coating bonds across every surface, protecting both bolts and nuts from corrosion. Controlled heat cures the coating into a smooth, durable, protective layer across every surface. The finished bolts and nuts now move to packaging as complete, corrosion-resistant industrial fasteners.
Dense rows of finished bolts and finished nuts enter the packaging section, where counting, sealing, and palletizing begin.
Digital load sensors verify exact batch weight, so every package receives precise quantity and consistent industrial grading.
Automatic sealing machines close every package cleanly and lock the finished fasteners safely inside for transport.
Robotic systems stack, wrap, and move finished fastener packages into warehouse lanes ready for shipment.
We need those fasteners moved to Zone 7 by 1400.
Roger that. Pulling the next pallet now.
From raw steel to finished shipment-ready packages, the complete industrial bolt and nut production line delivers massive precision fastener output every day.